second standard. As I explained, the growth in human beings, there are 5 stages: infant, child, teenager and old. Infant child cannot walk, talk or eat food on its own. The child means after birth of 2 years, infant grows into a child, and a child can sit, walk, talk or speak in this stage. And in this stage, the child becomes tall and strong. The third stage of human being in growth is teenager, the age of 13 to 19. That is called teen age, and the person who is passing from these ages from 13 to 19 is called teenager. And in this stage many changes take place, and this stage now adult, fourth stage of a human being and adult. A teenager grows into a young man or a woman called an adult. जो teenager होता है वो young man या woman में grow होता है, उसको बोलेंगे teenage, उसको बोलेंगे adult. और जो adult person है, जो काफ़ी सालों के बाद में जो यंग पर्सन होता है और अडल्ट जिसको हम बोलते हैं, उसकी जो स्किन होती है उस पर रिंकल्स आने लगते हैं एंड हेयर टर्न्स ग्रे. जो हेयर होते हैं उसके वो ग्रे कलर में कन्वर्ट होने लगते हैं. सो द मेन थिंग्स इन इन्फेंट इज अ न्यूबॉर्न बेबी recognize the smell and voice of its mother at birth. बर्थ जब होता है स्मॉल बेबी का, तो वो अपनी माँ को उसकी स्मेल और आवाज़ से पहचानता है. तो सेकंड मेन थिंग इन अडल्ट इज दे हैव टू डू फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज लाइक जॉगिंग, वॉकिंग, रनिंग, so that their growth for this activity important for growth and a healthy body. हेल्दी बॉडी के लिए, ग्रोथ के लिए जॉगिंग, वॉकिंग, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज जो होती है दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दीज आर द ग्रोथ इन ह्यूमन बींग्स. नाउ वी विल सी द ग्रोथ इन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. नाउ हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल दैट plants can grow? Of course, if you want to check, you can see that you have to grow seeds in the field and you have to watering that. After some time it convert into sapling this way. First comes root and then from land a stem come outside, and after that we can see little bit leaves on it, that is called sapling. What is it called? Sapling. Okay, now after seeds growing, it grows into sapling, and after sapling that plants grows in different sizes like trees, shrubs, herbs. Herbs means this way, grass. This one is called herbs. This one is called herbs, जिसको हम small grasses बोलेंगे. The different plants have different sizes and they have different types also. For example, they have 5 types. First tree, then shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. These are the different types of different sizes of plants. Trees are tall and it lives so many years. The second, shrubs, it lives for few years. Third, herbs. Herbs lives only few months. For example, grass, mint, coriander. So this kind of plants grow and live for some months. Then climber and creepers. Climber needs support to grow, so it takes a support of other plant, wall or a stick to grow. And creepers creep on the ground. So these are the types of plants and different sizes with different activities. You can see these plants. Do you know the leaf is called kitchen of the plant? आपको पता है जो लीव होता है ना उसको किचन प्लांट्स का किचन बोला जाता है. डू यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर द फूड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर एंड सनलाइट. किसके प्रेजेंस में? सनलाइट और एयर. And it need water. So from where do it get water? From the soil with the help of roots. जो सॉइल होता है, सॉइल मतलब गीली मिट्टी में से जो उसके रूट्स होते हैं जो इसके साथ सॉइल के साथ फिक्स होते हैं, वो सॉइल में से वाटर अब्सॉर्ब करके पूरे प्लांट को पहुंचाते हैं सो दैट इट बिकम्स ग्रो. सो दिस वे वी कैन सी द ग्रोथ इन plants. Once again, if you want to see the growth, you have to grow a seed. After some time you can check that, you can see that sapling little bit more come outside from the land, and then sapling grows into a different sizes of plants. This way you can see, as you can see on the board, the picture of different plants. Now animals like human being and plants. Animals also grow. Do you know how? The young ones of animals grows into big animals. जो animals होते हैं young ones के animals के young ones, it grows into big animals. For example, kitten grows into cat. जो kitten मतलब कि cat का बेबी स्मॉल वन होता है कैट का, वो बड़े होके क्या बनेगा? कैट. देन यंग वन ऑफ हैन इट कॉल्ड चिक. आफ्टर सम टाइम चिक ग्रोज इनटू हैन. देन पपी आफ्टर सम टाइम ग्रोज इनटू डॉग एंड काल्फ. You can call the young one of zebra, elephant, cow, buffalo, all are called calf. So from calf it grows into cow or elephant or zebra or other animals. So these are the activities, these are the growth from animals young one to big animals. As you can see that kitten grows into cat. Then chick grows into hen. Puppy grows into dog. And calf, the young one of cow, elephant, then zebra. These all animals grow into big animals. The young ones of animals grows into big animals. So can you understand this growth from plant and animals? Once again, growth in plants. Once again I repeat, the growth in plants. So for getting plants we have to grow seeds. After some time of watering that seeds, it grows into sapling for different types plants. And from sapling plants of different sizes grow. For example, in fields we can see that saplings grow into crops like rice or cereals, pulses, all we get from field plant by farming. Then fruits, we get fruits from different types of trees or plants from different size. As you can see, this kind of trees we can see for mango tree or some apple tree. Banana trees are different. They have this way, like, as you can see, that banana tree guys are like this way. Is it? This way we can see the banana plants also, and crabs are, we can see in crab vine. So all these different types of plants you can see and get different types of fruits from the different sizes of plants. In herbs you can see the coriander, धनिया, जिसको हम गुजराती में धाना बोलेंगे. देन मिंट, मिंट मतलब पुदीना, जिससे हम लोग चाय में भी डालते हैं और कई बार उसको फेस पैक के तौर पे भी हम लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं. देन तुलसी कम्स इन श्रब्स. श्रब्स में हिबिस्कस, जो कि जासूद का फूल हम लोग बोलेंगे. इट इज़ वेरी नाइस फॉर योर स्किन एंड लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. So this way you can see the growth in plants. Like that way, growth in animals, you can see the young ones of animals also grow into big animals, like kitten grows into cat, chick into hen, puppy grows into dog, calf grows into cow. You can also say that young ones of elephant, zebra, these all animals, young ones also called cows. So these you can see the growth in different things. So कौन से growth in human beings? Growth in animals and growth in plants. So these three types of plant growth you can see in this chapter number 3, growing up. You can see that how a human being grows. You can also see that how animals can grow, and you can also see that how a plant grows. Okay, so you have to remember this always and try to write. Now you can see that this way you can understand of different types of plants this way. So this you have to learn at home from page number 16 and 17. So please read it, and if you have any difficulty, just write it in your notebook, your explanation. I will explain the exercise afterwards in 6th video. And also I send this PDF of chapter number 3 exercise with spellings, so you have to write in your EVS notebook. And parents, please check that your child is writing or not in his EVS notebook properly. And if you have a difficulty, please send your difficulty by writing in comment box through in the school. Thank you. Be safe and have a nice day.